Hello, this is Shobhan again with Adobe Photoshop Elements 11 tutorial. Last time I covered very briefly the organizer part of the Photoshop Elements. Today I'll go into the editing part, but before I go there I have to show you how you bring the photos to the Adobe Photoshop Elements editor. There are two ways. Let's say this is my organizer open and I have few pictures here. Let's say we want to edit this picture of the lady. Now how do we take this picture into the editor? There are two ways of doing it. Right click on this picture and then choose edit with Photoshop Elements Editor. Click there and you will see the Photoshop Elements Editor will open and the picture has gone there. Just give it a few seconds. This is doing something right here. The picture has come to this editor part and you can edit from here. There is another way of bringing the photo from the organizer to the editor. Let's cancel this out. Again, let's go to the same picture in the organizer. This picture is selected. As you can see, it's highlighted. Go to the bottom of the screen and click here. And there are three different places where you can take this picture. We'll select Photo Editor. And again, the picture has come here in the editor. So now you can go ahead and do your editing, whatever you want to do. So these are two different ways how you can bring the picture from your organizer to the editor. But I do not normally use the organizer. As I said, I cancel that out and let's close the organizer or minimize it. Let's open the editor. This is the editor. And let me say I bring my pictures to the editor straight from the computer's files and folders. I have the pictures in my picture folder of the computer. So I click here, open, and then I look in my files and folders. This picture is already here. This is the picture I had in my organizer. So let's say I want to take this from my picture folder of my computer into the editor. So I select this, or for the sake of this example, let's just take another picture, any other picture. Let's go and choose one of the scenic pictures here. Let's say we want to edit that picture with Adobe Photoshop Editor. So I click on that, highlight that, choose that, and then click open here. And see, the picture has arrived or it has come in the editor. And in the editor, as I said, there are three different sections. I did not say it probably, but let me say it now. In the editor, there are three ways of editing a picture. Quick, the one I clicked just now. This is for beginners who really do not know much, and this is more or less all automated. You can do these different things on the right hand side very quickly with it. This is more or less automated. Then you can, for this editing the same picture, you can use the guided mode. Guided mode is for intermediate users. These are all the different things that you can do. And these will do the things, and it will give you guidance. As for example, if you are using auto fix, it will tell you what to do. Click auto fix to apply a general fix to under or overexposed images, like so. It is very easy. That's why it is called guided, because this gives you instruction for every tool you are going to use. And then third one is the expert mode. For those who are more or less familiar with photo editing and already know a few things, they can use this mode, expert mode, and on the left hand side of the screen around here you will see all the different tools that you can use to edit a given picture. So we'll come to those parts next. Today I just briefly showed you how to bring the pictures from the organizer or for your computer's files and folders into the editor, and then in our next part we will cover the real editing. Step by step we'll go slowly and the easy things first, and slowly we'll go to the little bit more difficult parts, and that will be interesting. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. This has been part 2 of my tutorial on Adobe Photoshop. Thank you very much.